Sekarang kita coba belajar bahasa Inggris dengan lihat video Isat unboxing pesawat Garuda.
Serial. Yang ini itu punya serial. Ya.
Satu kalimat pakai bahasa Indonesia.
This one is belong to serial. But you take the airplane that belong to serial and serial is crying.
Nah, sekarang kita coba ucapkan 3 kalimat yang diucapkan Ishak dan lihat artinya. This one is belong to Cyril. This one is belong to Cyril artinya yang satu ini milik Cyril. Kalimat yang kedua, but you take the airplane that belong to Cyril. But you take the airplane that belong to Cyril artinya tapi kamu ambil pesawat yang harusnya milik Cyril. Dan yang terakhir, and Cyril is crying. And Cyril is crying. Dan Cyril jadi menangis.
You don't have to grab that, yeah?
You don't
This
have
yours.
to grab.
Yeah, this yours. This belong to you, okay? This become yours. So, do not grab the airplane toy from Cyril tomorrow, yeah?
You don't have to grab that. You don't have to grab that. This yours. This yours. This belong to you. This belong to you. So, do not grab the toys airplane from Cyril.
You like this?
Yeah, I want to put the second.
Oh my god.
Eh. What? There's something the good one.
What? Okay.
Oh! What's this one? That's the I remember it's a fix. Here. See? Close here. Daddy, this one is belongs. Oh. See the butler inside.
The water inside?
Yeah.
It's shock.
Mommy, the shape is a circle. The butler inside.
The water inside?
Again?
The battery inside. The battery inside. The shape is a circle. The shape is a circle.
It's become moving gun
Oh, yeah.
because the butler here.
It's become moving. It's become moving because the battery are inside. Because the battery are inside.
I used to make this one with your height.
Isaac make this work. Isaac make this work.
With your face outside. Do again.
I'll try do it again. I'll try do it again.
There are two wings. One on the front and one on the back.
There are two wings. There are two wings.
Remember this airplane
One on the front
is
and one on the back. One on the front and one on the back.
Remember this airplane is belong to here.
Remember, this airplane is not belong to Cyril.
One here. The first wings.
The first wing right here. The first wing right here.
Here. Oh my gosh. This is a giant airplane. This one is here.
Oh my gosh, this is a giant airplane. Oh my gosh, this is a giant airplane. This one fit right here. This one fit right here.
Insert this.
I think it's wrong. Yeah.
Here. Stack.
Stack.
First wings. Second.
Stack the first and the second. Stack the first and the second.
There. There. See? This one first. Answer this one. See this? Answer this right here. That look perfect. And this one.
Perfect.
See this one?
Yes.
And look at this side. See?
Do you see this one? Do you see this one? And look at this side. And look at this side.
What is this? What is that sign, Mommy?
Which one?
This one?
Which? Or this one?
What is this? What is this? What is that sign? What is the sign?
Oh, this sign is mean do not put it into the trash bin. Oh, I mean the battery.
This sign is mean do not put it into the trash bin. This sign is mean do not put into the trash bin. I mean the battery.
Just put it here on the floor.
Orange.
Turn on and then you could put it into the floor.
Mommy,
It will
see
moving.
this? See this? This is
Come on.
see that one.
Start it. Yes, and then put to the floor. Here.
Stop. Wait,
Oh.
it's moving gun, but now it's red. And then the airplane becomes stop if red.
Oh, the airplane stop if red.
Yeah, kan?
Huh.
Or it's
Moving slow, slow. Now it's red.
See the wheels?